There is abundance for everyone. It is here for you. Open yourself up to receive the good that belongs to you. Living in gratitude is the gateway to abundance.